Vikanksha and you all welcome to the VC Education Academy. Still now we had completed the question number 1 and some properties of the division of 1.5 exercise. Today we are going to start with the question number 2. They had asked, check whether the quotient lies between minus 19 and minus 21. हमें पूछा गया है जब हम डिवीजन परफॉर्म करेंगे तो हमारा क्वोशिएंट -19 और -21 के बीच में आ रहा है या नहीं. तो पहला क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज अ क्वोशिएंट? जब हम डिवाइजर को से डिविडेंड को डिवाइड करते हैं, जब हम डिवाइजर से डिविडेंड को डिवाइड करते हैं, तो व्हाटएवर वी राइट हियर अबाउट दिस लाइन इज नोन एज अ क्वोशिएंट. ओके, and whatever is a remain is known as a remainder. So they had asked ये जो quotient है वो -19 और -21 के बीच में lie कर रहा है या नहीं. So first we will do the sum here. So this first number is a dividend and second number is a divisor. So first we'll write the dividend. Dividend is a -108 and divisor is a -12. -12. So you can notice the numerator and denominator both are the negative, and we know that the negative always positive. So we cut this sign. Now we will say the 12 ka table and check whether 108 in the lies in the 12 ka table. We know that 12 nines are 108. We know that 12 nines are 108. 12 के टेबल में 108 आता है, तो हम 12 के टेबल से सीधा सीधा डिवाइड करेंगे. 12 ones are and 12 nines are. So our answer is 9. लेकिन हमारा कंडीशन है कि आंसर ये जो क्वोशिएंट है, ये क्वोशिएंट कहाँ लाए होना चाहिए? -19 और -21 के बीच में. तो ये आंसर नहीं है. This number 9 does not lies between the -19 and -21. So no quotient does not lie between -19 and -21. Okay, so this is a complete answer. No, the quotient does not lies between the -19 and -21. Second, -100 divided by 5. So we know the first is a dividend. We write here -100 divided by 5. So you can perform the here division. जब डिवाइजर में एक नंबर है तो हम डिविडेंड में भी एक नंबर लेंगे. अगर डिवाइजर में 2 नंबर है, हम डिविडेंड में 2 नंबर लेंगे. ओके, सो डिविडेंड में कौन सा नंबर है? 1 नंबर. सो दिस नंबर जो डिविडेंड का नंबर है वो डिवाइजर के नंबर से छोटा है. डिविडेंड का नंबर है वो डिवाइजर के नंबर से छोटा है, इसलिए हम रखेंगे जीरोजा. 1 minus 0 1. अभी हमने 10 0 कैरी किया, नंबर हो गया 10. We know that 5 2s are 10. So 2s are and your 10 minus 0 minus 0 0 1 minus 1 0. Now we carry a 0. Zeros are 5 zeros are 0. So answer is 20. Now your plus minus always minus, so minus 20. My answer is minus 20. Now see, what is the question? In question they had asked us कि आपका जो नंबर है, जो आपका क्वोशिएंट है, वो -19 और -21 के बीच में लाई कर रहा है क्या? तो yes, the number is a lie between the -19 and -21. Next, 72 upon -4. Now your plus and minus. Plus minus, always minus. Our answer will be negative. Now do the division here, perform here. 472. Now you have noticed divisor is a 4 and dividend ka first number is 7. When there is a 1 number in divisor, we will take the 1 number in dividend. So 7 is a greater than 4. So we can directly perform 4 ones are 4. 7 minus 4, 3. Take 2 4 8s are 4 8s are 32. 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 3 0. My answer is minus 18. My answer is minus 18. But the condition they had asked us whether the number lies between 21 and minus 21 and minus 19. No. So this number is not lying between the minus 19 and minus 21. Question number 3, find the answer. Now here we have to perform and find out the answer. Okay, you know first number is a dividend. So first we will write minus 40 and second number is a divisor. So we will write here 0. Okay, so dividend is a negative, divisor is a positive, negative, answer will be negative. You can directly cut the 0 or you can write 10 4s are 40. Whatever you will do, answer will be minus 4 only. Okay, answer is a minus 4. Second, minus 81, this is a dividend upon divisor, minus 9. Now here minus plus positive. So minus you can cut or you can say positive. Both will be the right answer only. 9 ones are 9 nines are. Answer will be 9. Okay. Next. 0 divide by minus 13. You know when we divide the 0 by any number, answer always be the 0. So answer will be 0. Question number D. 51 divide by 51. When we divide the number itself, the answer will be always 1. अगर किसी भी नंबर को हम उसी नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो आंसर हमेशा 1 आता है. So answer is a 1. 51 ones. Next, 63 divide by minus 7. Here 63 is a positive, minus 7 is a negative. So positive, negative. Answer will be negative. We know that 7 ones are 7 nines are. Answer will be minus 9. Next, minus 48 divide by 1. We know that if we divide any number by 1, the answer will be that number only. अगर हम 1 से किसी भी नंबर को डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमारा आंसर वही नंबर होता है. So answer will be minus 48. Now 1601 divided by minus 1. This time we are dividing with the minus 1, negative 1. Now when the dividend is a positive and divisor is a negative, our answer will be negative because positive, negative, always negative. So minus number will be same, 1601. Now minus 1331 divided by minus 11. Here you can perform your, you will write here 11 and you write here 1331. Before that you can write here, I didn't have a place here, 1331 minus upon minus 11. So this minus sign will cut because same sign positive. Okay now. So we will divide 11 with 1331. 11 is a divisor and 1331 is a dividend. When there is a 2 number in a divisor, then we will take the 2 number in the dividend. अगर divisor में 2 number है 11, both number है 1s and 10s, तो हम भी यहाँ 2 number लेंगे, that is a 13. Don't start with the 1 place, start with the first place. Yo, okay. So 11 ones are 11. 3 minus 1, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. Carry 3. 11 2s are 22. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. Take 1. 11 ones are 11. Answer will be 121. Answer will be 121. Here we had completed question number 3 from 1.5 exercise. We'll start with the question number 4. Divide the top row. This is a row. that is a horizontal is known as a row. Horizontal, no, row, and vertical is always considered as a column. So they have told us हॉरिजॉन्टल में टॉप रो में से नंबर इन द वर्टिकल कॉलम, हमें ये रो में से ये वर्टिकल कॉलम को क्या करना है, डिवाइड करना है. सो this 12 is this all the number in the top row is a dividend. This all are the dividend, and in this vertical column they are divisor. This all numbers are divisors, and this all numbers, I didn't have a place here, right? So I'm writing this all numbers are dividend. Okay, so what we do, you know the formula, dividend divide by divisor. Same simple, first number take from here, divisor is a 12, dividend is a -1, answer will be -12. When we divide the any number with the -1, answer will be that number only. Just consider the sign and then write the sign. Okay. Now this 12 is positive, -2 is negative. We know the Tuka table. You should say the table here. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Negative, positive, always negative. So negative 2 6 are 12. So 6 I am writing here. We will say the Trika table. Both have a positive sign. So no need of write any sign positive. 3 4s are 12. Minus plus minus. 4 3s are 12. 12 positive, answer will be positive. 12 divided by 12, same number, 12 ones are. In any number is divided by 1, the answer will be that number only. So answer is your 12. Now do it with the 36, -1, 36 divided by -1 in second row and second column. This is second column. We will write -36, take these numbers, that is a -1. So this minus and this minus will be minus plus. There is no need to write the sign. If we divide any number by 1, the answer will be that number only. So you will write 36. Minus again plus. So 36 minus 36 divided by -2. This minus sign will cut. 2 ones are, remaining 1, 2 8s are. So answer will be 18. If you're not able to deduct this way, you can do this simple way also. 36 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. Remain 1. Carry 6 down here. 2 8s are 16. So you can do whichever method which will be easy for you. Okay. Now, here minus plus answer will be minus. So 36 divided by -36 divided by 3. So 3 ones are, 3 2s are. Answer will be -12. Next, -36 divided by 12. 12 ones are, 12 3s are. This is negative, this is positive. Answer will be -3. -36 divided by 1, answer will be -36 only. You can do it same way this table. I'm writing down the answer. You just check out. So -48 divided by 1, minus plus answer will be 48. -72 minus 1, answer minus will cut 72. 16 positive minus is a negative, -1 is a negative, answer will be -16. And 0 divided by -1, answer will be 0. Again, -48 divided by -2, minus plus. So 48 को divide किया हमने 2 से. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Then again, we will divide the 48, -48 with the 3. 3 ones are, remain 1. 3 6, the answer will be minus 16. Positive, negative, always negative. Minus, minus, plus, answer will be plus. 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8. 12 के टेबल में 48 आता है, 4 जा 48. And we will divide by 1, the answer will be that number only. So minus 48. Okay. Now, again, minus 2, minus, 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 plus. Divide by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 36. Now, minus 2, 3 minus 72. Now, 72 divide by this 3. So, minus plus minus. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. Answer will be 24. Okay. And now minus minus plus. No need to write the 7 or sign here. So your 4 1s are 4 1s are remaining 3. 4 8s are. Answer will be 18 plus 18. 12 के टेबल में 72 आता है. Yes, 12 6 are 72 plus minus minus. So answer will be minus 6. Number divided by 1, answer will be that number only. Okay. Now, minus 2 divided by 60, minus 30. Make it half. 3 divide karo. 3 2s are 6 and 0. 4 minus 4 plus. Answer will be plus minus minus. So do it here. 4 divided by 60. 4 1s are 4. Remain 2. You take 0. 2 5s. 4 5s are 20. Answer will be 15 minus 15. 12 5s are 16. Both are the positive. Answer will be 5. Number divided by 1. Answer will be that number only. If we divide 0 by 0 with the any number, answer will be 0. So divide by 0 divided by minus 2 0. 0 divided by 3. Answer will be 0. 0 divided by minus 4. Answer will be 0. 0 divided by 12. 0 and 0 divided by 1, answer will be 0. So now we come to know how to fill this table. Okay, just write down